mind around that story. Imagine bringing your car to see if you can even get it repaired and telling them that a bear did that. I don't know if they'd believe you.
Yeah, I mean, I've had a horse eat my license plate before, but I mean, that's besides the point.
Wait, now that's a story in and of itself. I don't know why we didn't run that one, Carson. When did that happen?
Oh, that was a couple years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like saying the horse ate your homework, but the horse ate your license plate, and the bear ate the car.
That's what I told the cop.
That's what you told.
Yeah, that's what I told the police.
Did it work for you? I don't know.
They didn't believe me. They didn't believe me. It was worth a try, but I did not lie. I mean, that would be a crime if I lied there.
All right, Carson, let's turn to the weather. What's it looking like outside now?
So we do have a tornado watch that is in effect for our central and eastern counties here. And folks, this goes until 9 o'clock. I do think most of our western and northern counties, your severe weather threats is over. Tyler, Longview, you're probably not going to see any additional severe weather. We've seen quite a bit of rain in those areas from the storms that we have seen, so we're going to keep a very close eye on the potential of flash flooding. So if you live in a flood-prone area, be very careful. If you see standing water, probably a good idea to turn around and find an alternate route. When in doubt, find an alternate route. I know that sounds like some goofy phrase, but it is true, folks. I mean, flooding can get a lot of people in trouble very quickly. But as we look at some of these more intense storms, first one I want to show you is this one moving through Nacogdoches County. And it's not as well organized as it was, but this is still very heavy rain. Flash flooding could occur quickly with this storm, and we could also see some gusty winds. I'm not seeing any rotation in it either, but that's certainly good news. And then further off to the southwest, we've got this storm moving through Trinity and Houston County. A lot of lightning associated with it as this storm pushes off to the east. So as we look at your temperatures, we are in the 60s and 70s, which is about where I expected us to be. And the areas that could still see severe weather, including Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Citrus, you'll notice for the most part our temperatures are slightly warmer there than what we are seeing up to the north. So here's our forecast model. And again, Futurecast, it is not going to be exact. It's an estimation of what the radar may look like. But as we look at what we're going to see right now, we've got scattered showers and thunderstorms, so it's doing a pretty good job of depicting what's happening right now. But these storms push off to the east. We're still seeing storms at 5, but watch what happens towards 6. Storms moving out of Sabine County and then moving into Louisiana. After that, I mean, we're not dealing with much at 8 o'clock, a few breaks in the clouds even. And most of the night we will be dry with just a shower or two early tomorrow morning, and we will remain mostly cloudy. Here's the severe weather threat for the remainder of the night. You'll notice that the severe weather threat itself has been trimmed to the west. Tyler, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, Athens, your severe weather threat is over. The next update that comes out, I'm sure we'll have a significant shift to the east, where places like Longview, Henderson, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, your severe weather threat would be over by then as well. Let's continue Futurecast into tomorrow because our storm chances aren't 0. We're not dealing with much during the day. Tomorrow afternoon, maybe a bubble-up thunderstorm in our eastern counties. So most of you tomorrow probably not going to see any rain, so no excuse for canceling those outdoor plans. Just remain weather aware. A better chance of storm to our west, where they do have a marginal risk of severe weather, so we'll keep an eye on that possibility. We're not going to see any excessive rainfall tomorrow, so that is not expected. But tonight we're down to 64. I went ahead and included a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, so temperatures don't really budge. And then as we look at tomorrow's forecast, we're back to 80, mostly cloudy. Maybe an isolated storm or two, but most of you will not see the rain. And it's going to remain active, I think, Thursday and Friday. Some of us will see storms, most of us will not. And then we will dry out Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with high temperatures in the 70s and 80s. For the latest weather forecast, you can find that on our website. That is